Ciao ragazze, come state? Spero che tutti siete bene. Io mi chiamo Mohammed e io sono qui per insegnarti la lingua italiana. Hello and welcome to our Italian class. My name is Mohammed and this is our first lesson in Italian language. At the first, I would like to tell you that I'm really happy of being your Italian instructor and really happy for that opportunity. And I hope you're enjoying learning this language with me. Also, I would like to tell you that it is really amazing language to study. It is one of the amazing language in the world. It's really easy and really fun to learn. So let's get started with l'alfabeto italiano. And before we talk about l'alfabeto italiano, I would like to ask you one question. Do you know how many letters does Italian alphabet have? I'll give you 5 seconds to think. Well, the answer is 21 letters. And now let's take a look at alfabeto italiano. Look at the first one here. A. It always pronounces A, no matter where it comes in the word. A. Second one is B. And this one, it is not English C, it is chi. By the way, it gives us two sounds, chi and ka. And in next lesson I will tell you when it gives us the sound of chi and when it gives us the sound of ka. And this one, D. It gives us sound of D. And this one, E. It is not E. In Italian we call it E, like elefante, an elephant. E, F, G, H, and this letter in Italian alphabet is silent. When it comes in the word, we don't pronounce it, we pronounce the next letter. H, I, L, M. That is the name of the letter, and M, the sound it gives us. And this one is N. It gives a sound of N. O. Look at my mouse. O. P. And this one, not Q. In Italian we call it Q. And this one, it is the main letter in Italian language. R. S. It gives us a sound of S. And this one is T. And this one is U. Not U, it always pronounce it like this. U. And this one, not V, it is VU. And the last one is Z. It gives a sound of Z, like Italian word zero. And now let's take a look to all this letter in one page. Please repeat after me. Repeat. A, B, C, D, D, E, E, F, F, G, G, H, H, I, I, L, L, M, M, N, N, O, O, P, P, Q, Q, R, R, S, S, T, T, U, U, V, V, Z, Z. L'alfabeto italiano. And now let's learn how to write these letters in cursive. Yes, we're going to learn how to write this letter, and we'll take one example for each word. And now let's start with letter A. It always pronounces A, like arte, A, arte, and art, or A, albero, albero, a tree, A, arte, A, albero. Next one. B, B, B for bambino, B, bambino, a baby. A, arte, A, albero, B, bambino. Next one is, it is not English C, it is chi, chi, like ciao, ciao. This is the most common greeting in Italy. Ciao, hi, ciao, or casa, casa, a house. So, chi gives us two sounds, chi and ka, ka. And in next lesson I will break down everything, when it gives us sound of chi, when it gives us sound of ka, ka. So don't worry right now about that. And next one is F, F, like famoso, famoso, F, famoso, famous. And next one is G, G, like gatto, gatto, G, gatto, a cat. And next one, please pay so much attention for that one. It is not H. In Italian language we call it H, H, and it is silent letter. we do not pronounce it at all. We pronounce the next letter. Like the word of hotel, hotel, a hotel, or ospitale, ospitale, a hospital. F, famoso. G, gatto. H, hotel, ospitale. And next one is L, L, like limone, limone, a lemon, or luna, luna, a moon. And next one is M, M, like madre, madre, a mother. M, madre. Madre. Next one. N, N, like notte, notte. N, notte, like buonanotte, good night, buonanotte. Next one is P, P, like padre, padre, a father. P, padre. M, madre. And next one is Q, Q, like quando, Q, quando, and quando means when. Quando, quando. Next one. R, 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 like Roma, Roma, Rome. Roma, R, Roma. And this one, do you remember how to pronounce it? S, S, like sole, sole, a sun. Sole, sole. And next one is T, T, like tutto, 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 everything, tutto. Tutto, like spero che tutte Siete bene? Tutto or tutte? And next one is u, like uomo, and uomo means a man. Uomo. And the next one is vu, like via, via, and via means a street. Vu, and the last letter that we have today is zeta, like zero. And do you know what does zero means? Means zero. Now let's pronounce it one more time. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, Z. And now we already finished with l'alfabeto italiano. I want you to keep practicing, keep writing these letters, and see you next time. Allora, ci vediamo presto. Ciao!